It's business. It's business time.
Alright, well, if you're gonna kick me out of the store, I'm just never gonna come back. As shaky as ever. Alright, guys, so we're heading back to Ikea. We missed a few things, and I'll see you guys in the car with Matt. Deuces. And now this time we're actually gonna stop at Guitar Center as well, pick up some guitar strings. I gotta get a support beam for my desk that I'm building, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Deuces. Oh yeah, Matt, say what's up, bro.
What up?
So we just pulled into Guitar Center. We're gonna be grabbing some strings and a few picks, but yeah, we'll see you in the store. Damn, Matt, you're looking good, bro. White tee with the white shoes. Oh man, see, I'm just with the gray sweats, print, and then I got the Timbs, dead ass B. So I ended up getting my guitar picks. Then Matt has what he needs in his hand. It's so quiet in here. I feel bad for even filming, but we'll see you back in the car. So now we're off to Ikea. Say what up, Matt. Can I? Oh, I don't think I can flip the camera with this. This is unbelievable. I am angry.
To comply with these you know what I'm saying?
What up? So we just got to Ikea. Say what up, Matt. There we go. He already said what up. I love when he says what up. So we're here specifically for a support beam for the center of my desk because he's a big boy. He's a very big boy. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we're back in our favorite spot, and I need to get this bad boy right here. So we're gonna go get someone to help me, and we're gonna go down to the loading area. You wanna give a peace sign? Actually, before we do that, I saw this chair, and I was like, wow, the thing looks like a piece of shit, and I'll show you guys it in a second. But as you can see, the price tag's $299, dude, and look at this thing.
Yes. What's your profanity?
Right, I'm sorry.
So we just finished shopping, we're out of Ikea, and we're actually about to, oh dude, I'm about to get arrested. No way.
Oh no, not the pocket.
We're about to head back to Guitar Center. I left my hydro flask there, so we'll see you back over there. Alright, so I'm back at Guitar Center. I'm grabbing my hydro flask, and then from there we're heading back home, and we're gonna start putting that desk together. I'm super stoked. Hey, we got it. Let's go back home. If you made it this far into the video, you might as well subscribe because the next video will be the video of me building this desk. It's going to be a monster, so stay tuned for that.